Imagine going from a stroll on Fifth Avenue to your resort-style community in under 15 minutes. Valencia Sky's world-class amenities include pickleball, tennis, bocce courts, multiple pools, a professionally set up theater, indoor and outdoor restaurant, and so much more. And the best part is, while the clubhouse is being finished, you'll have community centers from day one. With 6 different beautifully decorated models, the possibilities are endless. If you are ready to live the best resort-style life in the heart of Naples, contact us today.